This is Lola Jane, together with Jordan Ellenberg and Ben Reck. We are MathPod. Our hack is the Markov Music Machine. So we're using the EchoNest API in the Million Song dataset. What we did is look at the chroma features of the segments in the dataset, and we computed a Markov chain that basically tells you things like, if you see a note that's a C right now, what's the probability that the next note that you go to is a D? And we had to do a couple of things to get this right. We had to, first of all, transpose all the songs into the same key. We used C major. And secondly, we had to clean up the songs because a lot of the segments have very noisy things and you can't really tell a dominant note. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is that using this, this is our machine. We're basically able to rediscover the C major scale. The darker, redder arrows are more likely transitions. So B really wants to resolve to C, and you see the CFG click here, which is like the Louis Louis rock song. And I think that's it. Lola, you're going to do some applications.
Yeah, so after we had this matrix of probabilities computed, so it just tells us what's the probability of going from like C to D or C to E in a song, we tried two different applications. The first is that part of this process was inventing a cleanliness measure. How clean are the chroma vectors in a song? And using that measure, we asked, okay, for very clean songs, can we recover the song from the chroma features? And so here's an example. Here's a song. I apologize for the video. Hopefully this works. But you can see, I'm going to play a few seconds of the song, and then I'll play a reconstruction. Ignore the video. It's terrible. Actually, I'm going to scroll down. It is really sweet. Okay, so just we'll listen for like 5 seconds. All right, so here's our reconstruction. Sweet. So we're off in the key, and the tempo's a little different, but so just from the chroma vectors, we were pretty happy with that. The other natural thing to do once we had the transition probabilities was, can we make our own music? And so this is some randomly generated music and our first shot at composing, so I'm really excited about this. Okay, maybe it's not that exciting, but yeah.